Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've done a video, and anyhow, things have been a little crazy around here, but anyhow, I was sitting at my kitchen table trying to figure out how to decorate the box for my pudding box journal, the cover. Anyhow, and then the doorbell rang, and look what the mailman brought me today. His package. Now I was expecting this. It's from, I just covered up the address. It's from Susan Cortez. Anyhow, okay. I've opened the package. I opened up the envelope, and what I did was, because she told me to be very careful to open this. So I open. It's wrapped. This is the tape. Okay. And now I know why she told me to be careful opening it. And look at this paper. First of all, it's textured, but look at this paper. Look at that. Look at this paper. Look how gorgeous and yummy this paper is. Oh, thank you so much, Susan. Oh, wow. That's awesome. I love that. Thank you so much for this. Anyhow, so now, what's in here? What is in here? Let's see. So, the ribbon. I love this color. I keep that, of course. What's in here? What's in here? What's in here? I'm gonna open this. Usually there's a corner. Oh my god. Hey Susan, I can't open it. Try again. Here. Oh wow. Wait a minute. Okay. My hand's not working today. Here. Here. Okay. 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 Oh wow. All this goodie paper. That's it. Okay. There's something here. Oh wow. Just put that there. See? Oh, there's something else in here. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Okay, hang on. Let me just anything else in there? No. Okay. Just want to make sure. I'm just going to put the ribbon in there also. I'm just going to set this aside. Oh wow. Oh wow. Look at this. ATC. Look at that. Oh, it's gorgeous. Steampunk. Steampunk lady. Oh wow. You know, that's where my heart is, eh? Steampunk. You do some awesome work, Susan. I wish you had a channel. Oh, look at that. On the back. Look at the color on the back. I'm going to have to put your name on there. Look at that. That is so gorgeous. Thank you so much. Oh, wow. Oh, look at this. Oh, okay, so a bit of that washi tape's coming off, but it's okay. I'll just glue that down better later. Oh, wow. Is it washi tape or is it? Look at that. Look at that. Because the way my camera is there. Look at that. Look, isn't that she beautiful? Look at that. She put a butterfly for a hat. For that's awesome. Oh, wow. I love that. She's gorgeous. I'm going to have to sign. Wow. Yeah, I'll put your name on there. Thank you so much, Susan. I love that. Okay, now, what's in here? What's in here? Oh my God, this is journal. Oh my God, Susan. It's, oh my God. Oh wow. Look at that binding. I love that binding. I forget what it's called. I want to try that type of binding, but look at this. That box. Oh wow, you made that box. Look at that. Susan made this box. She made a matchbox. Oops. Okay. Look at the texture on there. That's all steampunk like. Oh wow. That's beautiful. Oh, I love that. Oh, look at the other side. Oh, this is like the metal tape you have put on here. The background. That is gorgeous. Oh wow. You know what? I don't know if there's enough light. I don't have the light on and it's cloudy. It's been raining today. We only had some sun for a little bit. I don't know if maybe I can't get up without moving a lot of stuff out of the way. So anyhow, I hope there's enough light. You guys could see this. This is just totally gorgeous. Look at the butterflies. Oh my God, is that tin? Or is that just that metal tape? Oh my God. Oh, that's, oh. Susan, please, you have to do a channel, sweetie. Oh my God, your work is awesome. Oh, wow, that's all like gears underneath. She embossed. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, look at that. Wow. Wow. That's awesome. Look at this. That's beautiful. Oh wow, Susan. I can't believe this. This is beautiful. Look at Tim Holtz paper doll. Oh wow. Wow. Yeah. Look at all this. Got the ribbon on there. Oh, it's fat pieces of fabric, torn fabric. I love that look. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is beautiful, Susan. Oh wow, I can't stop touching it. It's so much texture in the background. Oh wow. I've watched Lori Marie make something like this. This is where you got the idea inspired from. Oh wow. Lori Marie is beautiful. She's an amazing artist. Look at this. Oh wow. Look at that. She's done on vellum. The lady. Look at that. Wow. I love the layering and the texture and the backgrounds and oh wow. The stenciling that you've done. That's awesome. Oh my God. love the colors. Look at this. This opens. Look at that. You guys see that? Oh, I love this paper. I see that you did the background paper is book paper, and then did you do some stamping over the top? Look at this. That's from a tin. It's from a tin can. That's awesome. Oh, that's gold. Oh, I can see that. Coca-Cola. There you go. That's gorgeous. I love that. Oh wow, that's beautiful. Look at the texture on the door. That's awesome. Oh wow, Susan, it's just gorgeous. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Look at that. She put it on with brads. Look at that. Oh wow. You have because this is metal, right? Yeah, it's aluminum can. So I guess you put that through a die cutter, right? Oh wow. And look at the textured background on this page. Oh wow, I love this Susan so much. Oh wow. I'm just so like in awe. Look at this guy. It was her head. Oh, look at the background. Oh wow, the colors and the textures. Like, can't stop touching it. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. This is totally awesome, Susan. Oh my God, must have taken you forever to make this. I love this. Look at that. Look at that. Oh wow. Club and the spades. Just awesome. See? I love stuff that's interactive. That's just awesome. And look at, oh wow, look at this page. This rust. Oh yeah. Look at the embossing here. The die cut. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, wow. I'm just at awe. I can't stop saying, oh, wow. This is so beautiful, Susan. Thank you so much. Oh, what a beautiful birthday gift. Oh, look at this page. Oh, look at the colors on there. That's all die cuts. Ah, oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, wow. Oh, look at this, Mr. Fish. Oh, my gosh. Ah. It's gorgeous. I love this so much, Susan. Oh, look at that. Did some embossing. Whoops. You guys did some embossing in here. Wow. I love the background colors. Look at this guy. Look at that. Oh, wow. Look at her and the flowers. Oh, wow. Whoops. There, you can see her better. Oh, wow. She did some, looks like some embossing on there. Her skirt looks like a beehive skirt. That's gorgeous. Oh, look at this. Oh, I wish you guys could feel that. All the texture. Oh, wow. That's it. Oh, wow. Susan, this is just awesome. Just, oh my God. Thank you so very much. I love this. Oh, wow. I don't know what to say. I'm gonna cry. Anyhow. Thank you so much, Susan. Beautiful, wonderful gifts. You're such a talented, awesome, amazing artist. Oh, wow. I just love your work. Thank you so very much for everything here. Oh my gosh. Okay, calm down. I'm gonna go, guys, and I'm gonna look at this more off camera. And love you, Susan. Thank you so much. Wow, beautiful gifts. Awesome, 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 awesome. I'll treasure forever. Anyhow, guys, that's it. And I'll see you again, okay? Ciao.